Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas haul basically. So I'll just be showing you the presents that I got this year. And yeah, I just want to make a disclaimer and say, not that I think I'm going to get like any hate or anything on this video. I just want to say that like I'm not trying to like brag or show off my presents at all. I'm just like simply showing it as a haul because I know a lot of people like to watch these videos, including myself. I know that a lot of people I know would like to see this video from me, so yeah, I just want to say that. And for me, like Christmas isn't about the presents at all or anything, so yeah, I just want to like say that. And also just want to say that I'm really like grateful for all the presents that I got this year. I love all of them, and yeah, so that's basically it. I just want to say that before we get into it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this really quickly because I already showed it in the video, my vlog where I got ramen noodles with Jordan. But basically he got me this little necklace that just says Jordy on it. I like it a lot. I wear it like every day since I got it, and I just wear it with like my other Tiffany necklace that I've had for a long time. So yeah, and I really like it. So yeah, so now I'm just gonna get into the other things I got. So I think I'm just gonna start off with some of the beauty products that I got that I really have heard. Like most of these beauty products, I have heard a lot of good things about them, and I've like really wanted to try them out, so I'm happy that I get to. Yeah, so the first thing is just this it's like this 3-piece sleep and glow set by Laneige. And it basically comes with a water sleeping mask, a lip sleeping mask, and then moisture cream, this small little like thingy. And yeah, I'm really excited to like try this out. Well, like I already tried out like the lip sleeping mask just because I'm like really wanting to try it out, and I've heard like a lot of good things about it. I just took it out of the package so you can see it better, and yeah, I just like really love it. And I've already used it and it's so moisturizing. So, and it comes with like little applicators too, and it's just like a little gift set, so love that. And I think I'm gonna upload a skincare routine at the beginning of like January, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully I'll include some of these products in it and show you guys how they work. But I'm just like really excited. And I'll try to link down the things that I got down below just in case if anyone else wants to try it out or anything. But yeah, so the next thing is this Glam Glow face mask, which I'm really this Glam Glow face mask that I'm really excited to try out. Yeah, because you know me that I just love face masks a lot. Like I always use them. And this one is like a glitter one, and it's a black glitter one, and it's like the My Little Pony one. I'm just gonna open it up right now. Yeah, and I've always been hearing really good things about like the Glam Glow face mask. Like I've already used some, and the ones I did use, I love them, so I'm excited to try out this one. So when you open it up, it just looks like this, and it comes with this little thingy, and it's like the My Little Pony one, which is so cute. And it's just by Glam Glow. Let me open it. No, it actually smells good. It smells really good actually. Yeah, anyways, I'm not gonna open it all the ways because like don't really feel like it right now, but it's just like a little like black like glitter face mask. So yeah, it's a gravity mud firming treatment. So can't wait to try this out. I'm so excited. Yeah, so it also comes with like these little My Little Pony stickers in it, kind of random but whatever. And then it comes with like the applicator to the face mask on your face. So really excited to try this out. I'll let you guys know how I like it. Okay, so the next thing I got was just this little Mario Badescu little set. It comes with the rose water and the lip balm. Like the rose water I've been using for like a year now. I have like, this would be my 4th bottle of it. Well, like not that I've gone through 4 bottles, but I just like have like this is literally like my favorite like facial spray or whatever. And then this also comes with the Mario Badescu lip balm, which I've heard like so many good things about. I tried it out and it's really hydrating and good, so I'm really happy to have this. And yeah, I just love Mario Badescu stuff. I also have like their drying lotion, which I use if I ever get a pimple and stuff, so really love Mario Badescu products. So yeah, Love this. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, but like those first 3 things were from my mom. And I'll try to mention like who all my presents are from, but as I'm going through, like I might just like be talking about it rather than saying, but yeah, like all these presents are from my family and stuff, so yeah. But I got this champagne toast body shower gel from Bath and Body Works for my brother, and it smells so amazing, and I love the scent, and yeah, so I can't wait to use this. So this smells really good. I'm really into like good smelling things, so love that. And then the next product I just have to show you is this Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Boom Boom Cream because it's like Brazilian, so they speak Portuguese, and I think that's how you pronounce it. At least that's what I've heard. But anyways, this is what it looks like. And I've already tried it. It's really hydrating and it smells amazing. And I've heard really good things about this like body lotion, and I love the smell of it too. So just like looks like this in this cute little thingy, and I'm really excited to try it out. And yeah, I guess you can see a theme for all the things that I like is they smell good. So yeah, but so I'm really excited to try this. Oh, and this was also from my mom. So yeah, so now I think I'm just gonna get into like random presents that I got. Not like random, but like they don't really fit into a category, so I'll just talk about them right now. So I got this pack of this Uno emoji card game. It's like the regular Uno, just but the cards have like different emojis on it. So really excited about this because I love Uno. Uno is probably one of my favorite games, and yeah, I can't wait to use that. And like I feel like it's really like fitting for me because like not in like the weird way, like I don't know if this makes sense, but like not in like the weird way, like the people who use emojis in a weird way, but like I use emojis kind of in like a funny like sarcastic way, so like this is perfect. So really love this, and this is also from my other brother. So yeah, I also got these 2 things. They kind of just like go together because I have like the Instax mini Polaroid camera, right? Like I got it last year for Christmas, but I just got some more film for it because obviously I'm gonna need more film for it so I can take more pictures. And then so it's just like a 20 pack of film, and then I also got just like a little case for it. I'll show you what it looks like. I got a case for it just so it's like a little bit more protective, and then it's like basically my camera's like the same color as this, and it just comes with a little strap, so when I bring it around with me to places it's not like gonna break or anything, because like I don't want that to happen. But yeah, so I got that, and these 2 things were for my dad, so yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got is just like this little stationery set, I guess you can say, and it comes with 3 different jars, and they're just like gold and white and stuff. And then this one just comes with this comes with thumbtacks, this one comes with paper clips, and this one comes with binder clips. And for my like room and stuff, I like white, gold, and like blush pink and stuff, so this like goes along with it, and it's just really cute because I like little mason jars, and it's just really cute. So really happy about this. I also got these there's this like another like stationery present, and it's just they're just these magnet bookmarks that I really like to use. Like I already have a couple, but they're just like really good for like marking your pages when you're studying or like reading or anything, stuff like that. And they'll just come with these really cute designs on it. They're from Indigo, so I really love this a lot. So I also just got this Herschel soft like pillow case, and it comes with this like kind of like a blush pink. I don't know if the color is like picking up on camera. It just looks like this, and just like for a 13-inch like laptop, I have like the 2018 13-inch like MacBook Pro, so yeah, it's perfect for this. It's really good. This is for my dad as well. So the next thing, I got a pair of shoes for Christmas for my brother. They're just the all-white Air Force Ones. I think most people know what these look like already, but they just look like this. They're really cute. They like literally go with like any outfit, and like I love a good all-white pair of shoes. Anyway, so just look like this, and they're just like, yeah, so I really love these. So I also got like a whole bunch of socks for Christmas, so I'll just show you guys them. I got these reading socks from my dad, and like they remind me of my friend Jasmine, like one of my roommates, because she has like a whole bunch of like these reading socks, and like as soon as I saw those, it just like made me think of her. So they're just like these long, like thick reading socks, and they have like a like faux Sherpa lining in it, and they're just so soft and like cozy, and they're really cute. So I love these. They just look like this, and I'm pretty sure these are from like Indigo or something. I also got 2 pairs of like these really like soft, like longer socks. They just come in like these 2 colors, but like just like really soft and like thick, and I like them a lot. And then I also got these lavender, like, oh yeah, these I got from like my mom, and these I also got from my mom. Oh yeah, so I just got these like lavender infused socks, I guess. I don't know how to describe them, but they're just like these like fuzzy socks, and they're really cute. There's like a light purpley color and then a white color, so they're really cute. And it comes with like a little like pack of like lavender, and I guess you just put them in the sock, and yeah, they like make your feet like really soft and like nice. So love this, can't wait to try it out. So yeah, so I think now I'm just gonna move into clothes. That's like basically it, but yeah, so I'll just show you all the clothes I got. I got this white turtleneck that's just really cute and simple, and if you know me, I really like turtlenecks, so kind of happy with this. I got this from my dad, so it's just like a little white turtleneck, super simple. You can wear this with a lot of different things, so yeah. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna link down below where all of these things are from if I can like find it on the website, but yeah, just so you guys know. Okay, so the next thing I got was just this like white why did I say white, this black like long sleeve button shirt, really cute, simple, wear a lot of different things, so love that. So I also just got just like this black long sleeve shirt, and just has like a little like lettuce leaf on the sleeves, and then at the bottom of the shirt. So these, and these 2 shirts are from my auntie Donna and my cousin, so yeah, I'm really thankful for these shirts because they're really cute and simple, and I can wear them a lot of different ways, so I love that. I also just got this gray cardigan that looks like this. It's really long and like cute and simple, but I really like it, so I really love it. Anyway, so I just got like this little like fleecy type material black sweater, and it just looks like this. It's really cute and simple, and I can just like wear this to school, and yeah, so I really love it. I also got just this like plain gray sweater, and it kind of has like a mock turtleneck sweater, and it's just like gray like this, and I can just like wear this to school or whatever. Okay, so I just have 2 more things to show you, and they're just pants. So I got these, like, I don't know how to describe them. You will just see the try on. So I just got these pants, and they're just black with white stripes on it, and they're like really cool. And then I also got these jeans. It's got like an ashy black, kind of like grayish black, not really gray, but like black jeans. Well, like the mom jeans actually, and they're from American Eagle, and I really like the style of jeans from there. Like I have like a whole bunch, and if you know me, I really love jeans a lot. Like I have a whole bunch of jeans. Oh yeah, and then like all the other clothes that I got are like from my mom and stuff. Yeah. Okay, so I have one last thing to show you, which is just like a pajama set that I got. It's just from my Navy. So basically it's like kind of these like black and white checker. They're kind of like legging type style pajama pants, along with this shirt. It just says love with like a little peace sign for the V. It's really cute, long sleeve. And then I also comes with like this robe that's like a little bit different than my other robe because it's kind of like a 3/4 length sleeve robe, so it's really like different, whatever. And yeah, so just like this, checkered, it matches the pants, so it's just really cute. So yeah, this is just a really cute pajama set that I also got from my mom, and it's just from Old Navy. So yeah, I love it. So that's basically all I got, and I also got like money, cash from my other family members. So that's basically it for today's video. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to my parents and my siblings and my other family members who all got me presents. I really appreciate it, and I love all these gifts, and I can't wait to use them and try them out. But that's basically it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always follow me on Instagram. It's always linked down in the description. I'll also try to link down all the products I talked about in today's video in the description as well if you want to check them out. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!